Okay, we've just set the header rail into place. We've mounted it with screws. Note that sometimes the manufacturer offsets these pre-drill holes, so they'll get in the way of the trim cover, so you might have to re-drill another hole, and that's fine. So these are the trim covers, big plastic strips. If you notice, maybe the camera will focus here, there is a long edge and there's a short edge. This long edge here with the flap goes towards the outside. So long edge on top, short edge on bottom, and I just stick it in here. You want to angle it down at a 45 and it snaps into place just like so. I've also found that if you just take your finger, your index finger, stick it on top, thumb on the bottom, kind of do this number, it's really easy to just run it all the way across the top. And now this cover is in place.